So actually our second day here, we took 3 flights to get into Hoi An and we were really tired. So yesterday we checked into our stay and we just chilled and we started hogging all of the Vietnam food, but we haven't really done much else. Today we had breakfast downstairs at our homestay. Family-run homestay by this girl called An and her parents. I'll leave the name of the homestay and everything below this video. Right now we're just planning to go out for a walk and explore the place and get some food, of course. Just stumbled on this museum kind of near the sea face and all. There are like demonstrations, old tools, so you can see how silk is processed right from the cocoon. What's the difference between raw silk and finished silk? Apparently the main difference is that raw silk is like boiled just once, but the more times you boil it, it will become softer. A cute little place. There's a lot to see. Really freaking hot today. We should be used to it being from Bombay, but yeah, the heat kind of gets to you after a while. We just ducked into this cafe. This is what it's called, and we ordered some khao lao and an egg coffee, both very traditional Vietnamese things that we haven't tried yet. So khao lao is supposed to be a dish that's native to only Hoi An, just meat with some noodles and some herbs or like some leafy stuff on the side. Egg coffee is coffee that's actually made with egg instead of milk, I think. I've definitely wanted to try it. So the egg coffee also has vanilla extract in it, which you can definitely smell, and the foam is so rich compared to anything made with dairy because egg just gets fluffier. Oh, I didn't mix it properly. I like it. I'm really glad I got to try both of these things. I'm not a coffee person, but it's really different. You think it tasted a bit of alcohol, right? Yeah, because they use vanilla extract in it, so they probably had alcohol in that. But it's not an alcoholic drink. It's nice though. And I did finish my khao lao as well. That was a yummy dish.
My husband is in the room, so we're taking a takeaway of khao lao for him and some appetizers for us later. Bun Me from the Bun Me Queen, pork and ham bun me.
So coffee is a really big part of Vietnamese culture, and I was really excited to find this local Coca Cola with coffee. So it's got like coffee flavor in it, and it's supposed to be 30% caffeine. I don't know if that's high. So I'm not so much of a Coke person, neither am I much of a coffee person. But I think these two go really well together. When you just have a sip, it tastes exactly like Coke, but then the aftertaste is all coffee. So we're out again for the evening leg of our walk. We've come to about the same place. There's this one lane in Hoi An that has a lot of different street food and bun me. Earlier today when we had kaulao at the cafe next door, we got takeaway bun me from this place, Madam Khan, the bun me queen. We really liked it. We've eaten 3 different places since we came. This was the best. Really tasty, interesting fillings. We forgot to tell them no spice, so this one's a little bit spicy, but it's a mix of pork, ham and a lot of veggies in this crispy bread that if you're from Bombay you will find the bread kind of like kadak pav or ladi pav, the harder pav. And after tasting it, I can definitely understand like how this place has got such a big name, and if you come during meal timings you're going to have to wait long to either get seated or get a takeaway. We also got a strawberry and kiwi smoothie. It's really tasty. So it's next evening and we are come for a walk in one of Hoi An's most famous areas, which is
The ancient town.
yeah, the ancient town. We explored a little bit of it yesterday, but we didn't do like the main destinations such as the covered bridge and all. So today we're going to do it more thoroughly, and like we're going to get the tickets and see all of the places that we have to see. It's evening right now, so the heat's a little bearable, so humid. It's pretty much like Bombay actually. A little bit uncomfortable, but yeah, very picturesque streets that we're going to explore right now. So we just bought tickets for the ancient town. You can actually technically walk these streets without tickets as well. But this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so it is nice to contribute and support. And apparently there are 22 interesting tourist locations in ancient town. One ticket costs 120,000 Vietnamese dong. Yes, dong, that's the currency. You can then choose to go to any 5 each. Looking forward. yesterday we could not finish off like the 5 locations, so we just went to 3 places. Yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday. It is a little extra crowded, but we came earlier today. It's just 4 p.m. The sun's still up, so there's much less crowd. And right now we've come to the Campo Temple, and it's my dad's first time in ancient town because he didn't come yesterday. So we're just having a look around. It's very peaceful right now. I think these are called Bun Me. They just basically have the unpeeled shrimp in them. I'm going to try it now. The skin gives a lot of crunchy texture. It's actually really nice. I love savory pancakes more than sweet ones. This is mild and yummy. It's not too fishy either, which is what I thought it would taste like. Really good. We're about to check out. I really enjoyed this homestay and I would recommend it if you want to stay closer to ancient town. Like it's walking distance to ancient town, but you're not in it either. And now we are going to be moving to our second stay in Hoi An, which is much more luxurious but a little bit more out of the way than this. I really enjoyed exploring ancient town of Hoi An. It was a little different than I expected. The buildings are just gorgeous. There is mixed sort of colonial heritage. There's a little bit of East like Japan and China. Then there's also Western influence because of France and all that. So it's truly gorgeous, but I really didn't expect to see like how touristy it would be. Hoi An is blowing up right now. There are just like herds of tourists. So most of them are East Asians, I noticed. So you won't find that many Westerners, and I didn't even see that many like Indians, South Asians. I think I've seen like 5 brown people since I landed here. And there's definitely like a little bit of culture of trying to fleece and scam tourists. And I understand that, like I think tourists can also be really irritating being a tourist myself. Still a really good experience. Can't wait to see what the next few days have in store. You will see that in my next vlog.